screen record. Okay, Hasan, you can explain with answer the reading passage 3, which is test number 2. So you can start now for the
So yeah,
for solving with answer in 32 to 37 answer. So please let's start.
okay. We are going to start from how to solve the questions 32 to 37. First of all, we would like to take a keywords, and it is harmful effect. Harmful effect is our keywords. So we have to search it in paragraph. So let's see where we.
Hasan, first of all, please please edit something from me by me. First of all, just a list of companies. These 4 keywords are searching. I think this is the first choice keywords for searching and mark this. I think this is the first choice. Coach, Tesco, Nike, iToys.
Okay. Okay, so our company name is Coach, Tesco, Nike, and iToys.
Yes. So
Okay.
this
So
keywords
for
is this keywords is more valuable for helping us for searching this result.
Yeah.
So first of all, we need to mark these keywords, and then we also mark these questions keywords. Okay.
Yes.
I think you
You're
got it.
right. You're right. You are right. So we got our company's keyword, and then we have to find the keyword from the questions. So we have the company keywords, and from the questions we can take harmful effect as our keywords. So if we search in the paragraph, then in the paragraph number 6, we'll find that the harmful effect and the similar word is negative impacts. Harmful effect and the negative impact are the similar words. The negative impact is located in the middle of the paragraph, paragraph number 6. If I tell that me to counter reacted some of the worldly perspective negative impact. Perspective negative impact. So the answer would be D, because
Hasan,
in this
perceived. This is perceived negative impacts, perceived.
negative impacts and the negative impacts and the harmful effect are
Yes.
the two similar keywords. Okay, so the answer would be D, and it is iToys.
iToys. Okay.
Yes.
So we are going to next questions.
And for the next question 33, we have the keywords. We have the keywords collaborating. Collaborating is our keywords, and we can easily find it in.
Please, Hasan. Hasan, you explain these words. This word collaborating. What is meaning by meaning this words collaborating? What is the meaning?
Let me tell you. Collaborate means to work together. To work together, to work combinedly, to work combinedly, to work jointly. So when a team or a person work together with others people, then it is called collaboratively.
Actually, you meaning dealing. That's dealing parts with others. Dealing or any kinds of contact with others.
No. Actually, it is not. I'm saying that when we work together for anything, when we jointly work together for anything, for any purpose, it is called collaboratively.
Okay. Okay, you can explain this.
So collaborating is our keyword. So if we search in the paragraph, then we will find in the paragraph number. Let's see, where is the paragraph? Yes,
Five,
we found
five,
it.
five,
Paragraph number 5.
five. Paragraph.
Yes, in the middle of the paragraph, we can see that after we can see 2006, they teamed up with technology company Apple to launch Nike Plus digital sport kits, compromises sensors that attach to the running shoe and wireless receiver that connects to the user iPod. So we found
Teamed
the
up.
keywords and we can take this.
Teamed up.
We can take this is the exact paragraphs, and this paragraph is related to Nike company. So we can take it, take the answer as Nike. Okay.
So collaborating,
So
collaborating is also similar to teamed up. I think you can you also agree with me. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So
You are
okay. So
exact. You are.
okay. You going to another
So
question?
next question. Yeah, 35. So here
34,
the 35.
34, 34, man.
Okay, 34. Here we can take keyword as initiative scheme. Initiative scheme.
Initiative or
In
incentive? Incentive.
incentive scheme. Yes, sorry, incentive scheme. I have actually did not see well it, and I didn't notice it. So there is a spilling of tongue.
No problem. No problem. Other. It implement.
Slip of tongue. So we can take it. Let me find out it.
This is the paragraph number
In
4. 4. Hasan, this is the
yes,
paragraph number 4.
yes. We can relate it with the let me find out it with the its greenery living program. Its greenery living programs and scheme are the same words, and
Please,
social
please,
responsibilities.
Hasan, please, you can also explain the location of this line for the learners. Because
Okay, it is oh yeah, I got your point. Yeah, we should do it. We should explain it more a specific way so that the learners can identify the answer without any complexity and difficulties.
okay, so let's start, please.
Line number three, in the beginning of the introduce is greenery living program. So we can take it as a keywords, and another keywords we can take is responsibility. Social responsibility means protecting environment, protecting the environment. Social responsibilities, protecting the environment. We can take it as another keywords. Okay,
So also,
and
Hasan, demonstrate also the keyword, demonstrate.
yes, yes. So these are the two keywords that are matching with the Tesco company. So we can take the answer at Tesco company for the question number 34.
Actually, corporate social responsibility. So, what is this relations with these keywords from these pages? Please explain this.
Protecting the environment in the line fourth in the beginning, at the beginning.
Okay.
Line fourth.
Okay. Okay. Protecting the environment by involving consumers. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go our another questions.
Let's go to the next question.
Okay,
The question number is 35,
5.
isn't it?
Yeah. This is
So for it, there we can take our keyword a positive attitude, and difficult circumstance. Positive attitude and difficult circumstance. So let's me start in first the paragraph. Third number paragraphs, I think we'll find there.
yes. Hasan,
Where is it?
I think 35 keywords is main keyword. Actually, this is not direct keyword. Indirect keyword is it discovered. It discovered because it is research part by those companies. So
Okay.
35
Yeah.
questions.
I'm giving you. I'm giving you the exact. I'm giving you the exact keyword. So don't worry. I have the exact keyword. I find it. I found it. You can go to the number of the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Yeah, line number 8. Line number 8.
7 also, Hassan 7 also, instead they initiated it consumer research project. Consumer
The
research
consumer
project.
is important, but our keyword is positive attitude and difficult circumstance. So we can say that you will find in the middle of the paragraph and next to the line eager. Eager means positive attitude. Eager means positive attitude. And then we also can find the tough time. Tough time means difficult circumstance. Tough time is difficult circumstance. So we can take the answer A, coach, for
The
the
answer
question
A,
number
A is the best answer for this, for the 35 questions. Okay,
Yes,
35 number
yes,
question.
yes.
Okay, so we are going to another questions.
Yeah. For 36 number questions, it responds to a growing lifestyle trend in unrelated products sectors. Okay. And let's see, where do we find it? Oh, we have to take the keywords. Here our keywords is unrelated, and going lifestyle. Unrelated and going lifestyle. We can take take this as a keyword. So unrelated and going lifestyle. So we have to find out it.
5, paragraph number 5. We found this paragraph number 5. This answer is
Yes,
Nike.
yes, yes.
So why Nike is the best answer for these questions? You explain this.
Okay. Let's me explain this. Okay. Yeah. So if we go to the middle of the passage number 5, then we will find that in the line number 4, at first glance, spending resources to incorporate elements of seemingly irrelevant trends,
Means unrelevant.
okay,
Yes.
is unrelated.
Mm-hmm. Elementals.
Unrelated, okay.
Yeah.
So our answer is Nike, and the answer is C.
Okay. So we were going to next questions. 37. Question number of 37.
It successfully avoid having to charge its customer less for products. So here we can take the keyword as avoid charge. Okay, so we can find it easily in the line number in the paragraph
3. Paragraph
in the
3. Paragraph 3, and which is located in the middle part of paragraph. You see
no
this.
no bro.
You see this
I'm
70.
telling in the last part. Goes to about across the board price cut.
Sorry.
In the last part of the paragraph number 3, goes to about and across the board price cut. Okay, about means avoid. About means avoid.
Okay, please also share the line number because many learners don't find it.
Yeah, it is. Let me tell you. Yeah, it is in the last sections of the paragraph number 3. From the bottom is line number 3. From the bottom it is line number 3. Okay. Goes to about. About is the similar word of avoid. Across the board price cut. It contrasts to many companies that respond to the recession by cutting price. So these are the exact lines. This is the exact lines that we are searching for, and we can take it as the answer. So our answer would be coach, and coach is in the first A. Okay.
Okay,
So this is
dear.
all about question number 30 to 37. Though we have to go under some mental states, so it is not problems. We'll go further for our next questions.
Okay, Hassan. So, did you start? Do you start the question number 27 to 31 in this video? Would
No,
you?
bro. I think it would be not sweet for us.
So, what is our next step? I stop these video recordings, then we research it, and then we are back in this video. I think
Yeah.
is it right?
Yes. Yeah.
So okay, so I close these videos and our sessions, our 32 37 session is has been has closed. So thanks for join with us. Assalamualaikum.